right, I'm here in Pompano Beach by Pompano Beach Air Park for a 15th annual car show. And I'm just taking you through down the lineup.
Yeah, that's Herb Albert and his Tijuana Brass, 1965. Your Collector Car Appreciation Day. Don't forget, Galoopies has a takeout menu. You can call in and get your meal delivered out here to your lawn chair. Or you can try. All right, no takers on that last ticket number. We're going to try again. Here we go. You must be present to win. Blue ticket 7954 955.
That one works.
Blue ticket 955 for a $50 gas card. 955. Are you out there?
Yeah.